Hi children, hope you have heard the lesson about working of computer. Now I am continue the lesson, and before that let me give you a small recap. Parts of your computer are divided into four classes: input devices, processing unit, storage devices and output devices. Let us see about processing unit. CPU is the brain of computer. All major calculation and comparisons are performed inside the CPU. It has two parts. One is control unit, another one is arithmetic logic unit. Next we will see about the control unit. The control unit of the CPU controls the entire computer system. Next, arithmetic logic unit. All arithmetic operations such as add, subtraction, etc. or logical operations such as less than, equal to, greater than, etc. are done inside the ALU. See about storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data and instruction. There are two kinds of storages. One is primary storage, another one is secondary storage. Primary storage is also referred as main memory. It is applied to hold instruction and data before being processed and before providing result. There are two kinds of primary storage. One is RAM, another one is ROM. Let us see the random access memory. RAM is a volatile memory. It is used to store data temporarily, that is being accessed by the user. Data stored in RAM gets deleted when the power is shut down. Next, ROM. Read-only memory is a non-volatile memory in which data is stored permanently and cannot be changed by usual program. There are two types of ROM. One is programmable read-only memory. Another one is erasable programmable read-only memory. Let us see storage device. Storage device is also known as auxiliary storage. Hold the program's instructions and data permanently. It retains information even when the computer is switched off. Secondary storage devices: hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, DVD, flash drive, memory card. Let us see hard disk. Hard disk is made up of hard metal plastic. There are many sizes available, 1 inches to 14 inches in diameter. It has capacity to store huge amount of data. Floppy disk. Floppy disk is a flat, circular piece of flexible plastic coated with magnetic oxide. There are three sizes of floppies: 3.5 inches, 5.25 inches, and 8 inches. See CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. It is played by using a CD driver. A CD-ROM disc looks like a shiny silver color metal disc which is 5.25 inches in diameter. It is made up of polycarbonate plastic. A thin layer of pure aluminum is applied to make the surface reflected. It has storage capacity of about 650 to 700 MB. It is read-only storage medium. There are two kinds of CD-ROMs. One is compact disc recordable. Once data has been written on it, it is impossible to remove or erase this data. Another one is compact disk read or write. Data written on it can be removed by altering the chemical property of the disk. After that, data can be written on to the disk afresh. Let us see DVD. DVD means digital video or versatile disc. It is used to store movies. It is similar to CD-ROM in principle. Next, flash drive. Flash drive also a pen drive. Flash drive is a compact device which resembles a small pen. It enables easy transport of data from one computer to another. It is a plug and play device that simply plug into a USB, that means universal serial bus port of computer. Its storage capacity range from 2 to 256 GB. Memory card. ST/MMC means Secure Digital and Multimedia Card. Storage capacity of these memory cards range from 8 to 32 GB. These are also used in digital cameras and mobile phones. Output devices. The devices which guide in displaying and delivering the results are known as output devices. A computer generates several types of output depending on the hardware and software being used and the requirement of user. Next, monitor. The most popular output device used for producing soft copy outputs are monitor. It looks like TV screen. There are two types of monitors we are using. One is CRT, cathode ray tube. Another one is liquid crystal display. Let us see printer. An output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium such as a sheet of paper is called printer. A printer is used for printing and keeping permanent record on the sheet of the paper. There are various types of printers such as dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Now see about dot matrix printer. These printers print one character at a time. They form characters and image using pattern of dots. Dot matrix printer has a print head that move horizontally across the printer. Now inkjet printer. Inkjet printers form characters and image by spraying small drops of ink on the sheet of the paper. Its print head consists of two tiny nozzles that can be heated up within a few microseconds and then ink vapors and inject. Now see about laser printer. These printers are faster. They print one pages at a time. They consist of a laser beam source, a multi-sided mirror and a photoconductive drum and a toner. Laser printers produce very high quality output because they are from characters by very tiny ink particles. Let us see about speaker. They generate audio output. The set of audio may include words, bass, your recorded voice, music and etc. Now let us see the plotters. They are ideal output devices for architects, engineers, city planners, etc. as they require to generate high precision hard copy graphic outputs of widely varying size. The two commonly used plotters are drum plotters and flatbed plotters. See the picture of drum plotters and flatbed plotters. Okay children, we will meet the next video. Thank you.